India's Nitesh. Quarterfinals at 97 kilograms.
Hammering head throw attempt there with that right hand. Almost took Nitesh's head off with that one.
Juzubekov, another man born in this city, competing here for this Olympic ticket.
Challenge decision by rules. The leg was totally outside, but through not totally outside. The foot is always also a little inside, so no step out, no points, and challenge won.
Juzubekov will get a chance now to put some more points on the board from this parterre position. Takes him over for 4 points, lifts him, throws for another big 4, and that will be it. And just like that, Juzubekov flying through his opposition here in this quarter-final match.
Another double throw from the Kyrgyz wrestler to win a tie, if these points stick.
Not really sure what they're challenging here. Great lift here. Takes him over for 4, lifts him here. Big throw over the top. Can't really see any fault in the movement from Juzubekov there.
Challenge decision on mat B, 2x 4 points. First is lifting, red totally from standing in tension position. Second by rules, action with rotation. It's also 4 points and challenge lost.
It's all over in the quarterfinals, the decision upheld.